Namespaces are used to organize and group related classes, interfaces, enums, and other types. They help prevent naming conflicts by providing a way to differentiate between classes that have the same name but exist in different namespaces. A namespace is defined using the namespace keyword, followed by the namespace name. It can contain multiple classes and can also be nested within other namespaces. The using directive allows you to reference a namespace without needing to specify its full name each time.